For example D, see if you can do this on your own without looking at the video of how I do this. The function, or the parent function, f of x is equal to the square root of x. That's the parent function. So what are they doing to the parent function? Well, they're simply subtracting. I'm going to extend the square root symbol. They're simply adding a value of h. And so this might be counterintuitive, but the general expression says that if you're adding to the x variable, that's going to be a shift to the left, which is counterintuitive for many of you. So you're shifting the function to the left. I'm going to put in some specific points on the graph, 1, 1, 4, 2, and 0, 0. And if we move these to the left, remember what we do, it's a horizontal translation, so we're affecting the x variable. What you want to do then is you want to subtract 2 from the x variable, and you get 2, 2. So this point 4, 2 is going to move over to 2, 2. And what you see is this point moved over to the left. So a positive here is associated with a shift left. So you should be shifting the function left. So let's move the other 2 points, and you can simply move them over. And you can check your work by subtracting 2 from the x variable. So for instance, we could check this. We started out with 0, 0. We subtracted 2 from the x variable, which gave us 0 take away 2 is negative 2, 0. And if you were to check, this point here is one of the new points on our transformed g of x function. I should say translated. So I'm going to reconnect those points, and in red now you see the function g of x, which is the square root of x plus 2.